I'm Brent Eliason. I'm head of flight operations and deployments here at Flytrex in Dallas, Texas. Every time someone sees a Flytrex drone over their backyard, this building is behind it. Welcome to our new production and maintenance facility, the hub powering every single Flytrex delivery. Every drone is built, tested, and maintained right here by a team that prides themselves in details. What you're looking at here is our full operation from assembly down to maintenance, our component checks, and testing. Everything is built here right in Dallas, Texas. Great technology is only half the story. The other half is our team operating safely and consistently every single day. The people in this building are the reason why Flytrex delivers.
So we deliver food, as simple as that. We deliver pizzas, hamburgers, sushi, you name it. So basically we go through several stages. First of all, we have the inventory of the parts of the drones. Then we come through the assembly line where the guys here assemble the drones according to our manuals, test flights of the drones, make sure that they're safe. And only after that they go out and fly above suburb Texas in this case.
We built Flytrex to change how people access food. The fact that we're doing it from a facility in Texas, that's the dream becoming real. My name's Brian Lamb, and I'm the Marketing and Partnerships Manager here at Flytrex. We've been at this for over a decade. I would say our team behind the scenes is really what makes us special.
The people here are basically builders. They're build drones, they come from this industry, they come from aviation, and they have the expertise to make sure that these drones are safe to fly and they're assembled properly in this facility that we have.
This is where we test each one of our drones before we actually deploy them for deliveries to your backyards. We test everything to ensure that we have good operational drones. What we've built here is the foundation for how we scale across Texas and beyond.